My name is Nadir Ibadullah. This is just my collection, and I name my collection NIMINI, which means Nadir Ibadullah Mini. So NIMINI.
I like it. These are beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
How long have you been doing this?
Here in Canada, almost since 2008. Back home, when I was in grade 5 since then. My first Mini when I was in grade 5. My father, I asked him, I needed one, and then he bought one for me. I used to just clean it up and just sit in the car, come out and all that. And we used to do front and back in the house only. But later on, just started collecting. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. How many cars do you collect now? How many you have?
I have 14 classic Minis at the moment.
And do you bring them right up from scratch? Do you find them kind of half decent?
Yeah, half decent. I prefer that because I don't want to spend more time on mechanical stuff and all. I just want to enjoy them, sit them, clean them, go on the drive and all, rather than spending many time on mechanical work and all that.
Yeah.
And I take them to car shows like that. I never used to do that before, but then when I realized no, other people should be motivated and they should do that because we want Mini to be alive on road.
Yeah.
And people should take care of it. So when people look at my Minis and all, they get really motivated. And so since yesterday, lots of people asking if you're selling or if someone is selling, give us the contact, we would like to buy it. Like 10-15 minutes ago, there was a guy, he really wanted one, and they get motivated. So that's one of the objectives.
Yeah, that's awesome. What's your favorite?
All are my babies, all my favorite. But one of my Mini, which I bought first over here in Canada, that's a kind of a little bit of a favorite because that's my first Mini, and that's real factory original, like a brand new car.
Oh, okay.
Original paint, original everything, even single nut bolt is original in that car.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So this is a regular Mini 1986, but we souped up the engine, and the engine is a chrome engine now. We changed the engine to a chrome. It was 998, but now it's 1380. And then it's like a sports car, so I won autocross and Portland. First position 2023.
Oh,
on this one in my category, in my Mini category.
That's so cool.
Yeah. And this one is a 35th anniversary Mini.
Yeah.
It came in just a couple of colors. So this is the almond green color with porcelain green interior, leather interior seats, and the steering wheel in green color. That's a limited edition.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful.
Yeah, so that's a limited edition 35th anniversary. Now this black one is a British Open Classic. They produced this only 1,000 cars, and they came in a couple of colors only, the black and green mostly, the almond green and black, and it's got a full sunroof. And all of these British Open Classic has got a light beige interior. So the 35th anniversary came with originally green interior, and this comes in beige light interior, British Open Classic.
Wow.
And this is a 1977 pickup. So in this pickup, all the panels are new panels. They are heritage new panels. Everything has been changed to give it a fresh, brand new look. And it's, I would say, one of my coolest Mini.
Yeah.
10-inch wheels.
10-inch wheels, look at that. That's crazy.
This is a 1962 Woody wagon, but it's got a race engine in it, a 7-port, and it's got a fuel injection, specialty component, computer controlled. So it goes. It's a really fast car.
Flies.
Yeah. So that's a Mini Moke. It's a 1977 Mini Moke. So Mini Moke was produced in UK and in Australia as well. So this is an Australian model. It's called Californian.